Imagine jumping out of a skydiving plane and discovering that your parachute doesn't work. What memories do you think would flash before your eyes? Now imagine the parachute opened. How differently would you have reacted then? Confucius says, needing insurance is like needing a parachute. If it isn't there for the first time, chances are you wouldn't be needing it again. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to our respected chairman, Mr. Subhash Chandra Kuntia, member non-life, Srimati T.L. Alamelu, Madam, Chief General Manager, Mr. Randeep Singh, other IRDA officials, President, Mr. Sumit Bora, IBAI, and fellow directors. Let me tell you a story. I grew up in the Middle East, so obviously the story involves camels. Once upon a time, there was a rich Arab who had 3 sons and 17 camels. Unfortunately, the Arab passed away one night. The sons read the will left by the father. The will stated that the oldest son would get half of the 17 camels, the second son would be given one third, and the youngest son would be given the 1/9. As it is not possible to divide 17 into half, 1/3, or 1/9, the 3 sons started fighting with each other. They then decided to go to the wise man. The wise man listened patiently to their woes. After giving the same thought, the wise man brought 1 camel of his own and added to the 17 camels, which now increased the total to 18 camels. He then started distributing the camels as per the deceased father's will. Half of 18 equals 9, so he gave 9 camels to the oldest son. 1/3 of 18 equals to 6, so he gave 6 camels to the second son. 1/9 of the 18 equals 2, so he gave 2 camels to the youngest son. When you add up 9 plus 6 plus 2, that totals to 17. And this leaves 1 camel, which the wise man took away. The attitude of negotiation and problem solving is to find the 18th camel. That is the common ground. Once a person is able to find the 18th ground, the issue is resolved. It is difficult at times, however, to reach the solution. The most important step is to believe there is a solution. More importantly, the input of an independent mediator can provide you with the most suitable solution. As insurance brokers, this is what we exactly aim to be, that independent mediator. By the way, we didn't charge the customer, and the 18th camel belonged to us. The customer got more value for his money. Thank you, everyone. Now I would like to invite our conscientious President, Mr. Sumit Bora, for the next part of the agenda. Thank you. Signing off, Sundaram, Secretary IBI.